This is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can connect this device to VPN. So the first step is to download the app that will allow us to do so. That's a free tool that you can get from the Play Store. The name of the app is Turbo VPN, so let me quickly just go ahead and download it as well as install, which as you will see now does not take a lot of time whatsoever. Now we can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap the agree and continue button. Then we will also have to skip the ad real quick. Here it is. And while at the app, once you're ready to connect yourself to VPN, tap at this little carrot icon to the bottom. Press OK. And as you can see by this little icon over here, we have successfully connected ourselves to VPN. While at it, you can change the server that you are connected to and country, city, whatever is that. So I'll reconnect myself to Las Vegas. And in order to turn off the VPN or disconnect from it, just tap at the cross sign over here. Choose the disconnect option. And that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.